In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your video project using DaVinci Resolve in 3 easy steps. If you're new to video editing or just getting started with DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. We're going to break this down into simple, manageable parts. By the end of this, you'll be able to confidently export your project and get it ready to share with the world. Let's start by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure you have your project fully edited and ready for export. Once your project is open, look at the bottom of your DaVinci Resolve workspace. There, you'll find several tabs that allow you to navigate different modes within the application. You're going to want to click on the tab labeled Deliver. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to exporting your video in a way that's suitable for your target platform. Now that you're in the Deliver tab, you'll notice a slew of options presented to you. Don't let these overwhelm you. We're going to simplify the process so that you can get your video ready for YouTube effortlessly. Focus your attention on the top of this panel where you'll see a variety of export options. Click on Custom Export. Once you've done this, scroll through the list and find the YouTube preset. The reason we're selecting YouTube is because it's tailored for optimal settings that match the platform's requirements, ensuring that your video maintains the best quality once uploaded. After selecting the YouTube preset, you'll see there are various editable fields and settings like format and codec, but in many cases, the defaults are perfectly fine. However, feel free to adjust these settings according to your preferences if you have specific needs. Now it's time to add your project to the render queue. You can do this by simply clicking on the Add to Render Queue button, which is often situated on the lower half of your screen. It's important to ensure that your output location, the destination where your file will be saved, is properly set. This could be your desktop, a particular folder, or an external drive. Just make sure it's easy for you to find later. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully set up your video for export. All you need to do now is click the Render button. This will start the process of exporting your video. It may take some time depending on the length and complexity of your project, so feel free to grab a coffee or take a short break while DaVinci Resolve does its thing. Congratulations, you're done. Your video is now ready to be uploaded to YouTube or shared with your audience in any way you choose. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes the process of exporting your videos a breeze. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on editing with DaVinci Resolve.